Do you know that with just a few very familiar ingredients from your own kitchen, when combined with raisins, you can create face masks that leave your skin smooth, radiant, and healthy, almost like you just walked out of a spa treatment? It may sound hard to believe, but many studies have already proven this to be true. Dear friends, all of us wish to have healthy, firm, and youthful-looking skin. Instead of spending a lot of money on expensive products, sometimes just making use of simple ingredients right in your kitchen, along with some golden skincare principles, is enough to refresh your appearance and preserve your youthful glow. Today, LiveWell Everyday is excited to share with you a wonderfully simple beauty secret: a raisin-based face mask combined with natural nutrients, plus some tips to nourish your skin from within so that your body is both beautiful and healthy. Raisins have long been known to be excellent for health, supporting heart function, blood pressure, memory, and immunity. But what many people don't expect is that grapes, especially raisins, can also be turned into a highly effective external skincare ingredient. Do you know that inside raisins lies a treasure trove of powerful nutrients? Most notably, polyphenols and resveratrol, two strong antioxidants that protect skin cells from free radicals, slow down aging, and prevent early wrinkles. Raisins are also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as essential minerals like potassium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients not only strengthen overall health but also brighten the complexion, improve elasticity, and keep the skin vibrant and glowing. Even more surprisingly, when raisins are combined with other natural ingredients, you don't just benefit from their inherent nutrition, you actually turn them into a safe and effective beauty remedy right at home. And now, LiveWell Everyday * would like to share with you 2 simple raisin face mask recipes. Easy to make yet delivering visible results. Grapes. The first recipe: raisins combined with yogurt, honey, and oatmeal. To prepare this mask, you'll only need about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt is one of the most beloved natural skincare ingredients because it is packed with valuable active compounds. First and foremost is lactic acid, an AHA that gently removes old, dull skin cells on the surface. Thanks to this, your skin becomes brighter, more even-toned, and smoother without the peeling or irritation often caused by chemical exfoliants. But that's not all. Yogurt is also rich in calcium, an essential mineral that keeps the skin's structure firm, prevents dryness and cracking, and supports the regeneration of new cells. In addition, yogurt contains B vitamins, especially B2, B6, and B12. These vitamins play an important role in repairing the skin's protective barrier, boosting cellular metabolism, keeping the skin hydrated, and reducing roughness. In addition, yogurt also contains protein and zinc, 2 nutrients that boost collagen production, control excess oil, and help soothe mild inflammatory acne. The combination of lactic acid, calcium, B vitamins, protein, and zinc makes unsweetened yogurt a powerhouse ingredient that not only cleanses, hydrates, and rejuvenates but also creates the perfect base for the other mask components to maximize their effectiveness. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of raw honey. This ingredient is considered a true gift of nature for both health and beauty, as honey contains a wide range of rare nutrients that few natural ingredients can match. Honey is made up of more than 80% natural sugars, primarily fructose and glucose. These sugars not only provide instant energy but also have outstanding humectant properties, helping the skin stay soft and well hydrated. What makes honey unique is its natural enzymes such as glucose oxidase. When in contact with the skin, this enzyme can produce a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, a mild antibacterial agent that inhibits acne-causing bacteria while naturally cleansing the skin. Honey is also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, prevents wrinkle formation, and stimulates collagen synthesis for smoother, firmer, more elastic skin. In addition, B vitamins such as B2, B3, B5, and B6 found in honey support the skin's cellular metabolism, encourage the regeneration of new skin cells, and reduce dullness. Honey also provides essential minerals like zinc, copper, magnesium, and iron. Among these, zinc is especially important because it regulates sebum and calms inflamed skin, while copper and iron promote blood circulation under the skin, giving it a rosy and vibrant glow. Thanks to its high levels of phenolic compounds and flavonoids, honey also offers anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, helping to heal minor skin damage faster and reduce the recurrence of acne. With this combination of hydrating natural sugars, antibacterial enzymes, antioxidant vitamins, and balancing minerals, raw honey becomes an indispensable ingredient that nourishes, protects, and rejuvenates the skin, leaving it smoother, brighter, and with fewer imperfections. The next essential ingredient in this recipe is 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Oatmeal has long been known not only as a nutritious food but also as a skin-friendly ally. Especially for sensitive skin, it contains a large amount of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber famous for forming a natural protective film on the skin's surface. This film locks in moisture, keeps the skin soft and supple, and soothes irritated areas. Beyond beta-glucan, oatmeal is rich in avenanthramides, unique anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce itching, redness, and inflammatory responses. It also contains natural saponins, gentle cleansers that remove dirt and excess oil without stripping the skin's natural protective barrier, keeping pores clear and minimizing breakouts. Oatmeal further provides vitamin E and essential minerals such as zinc, manganese, iron, and magnesium. Together, these nutrients nourish the skin from within, stimulate cell regeneration, slow aging, and improve firmness. When combined with the other ingredients, oatmeal not only helps the mixture blend smoothly for easy application but also enhances cleansing, balances oil production, and calms the skin, leaving it healthier, brighter, smoother, and with fewer imperfections. Finally, when yogurt, honey, and oatmeal are combined with 8 to 10 raisins that have been soaked in warm water for about 15 minutes and mashed, we get a nutrient-rich face mask. Raisins stand out for their high content of polyphenols, flavonoids, and resveratrol, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, slow the aging process, prevent wrinkles, and keep the skin looking youthful. At the same time, raisins provide vitamin A and potassium, 2 key elements that help improve blood circulation beneath the skin, giving it a rosy, firm, and supple appearance. When all 4 ingredients, yogurt, honey, oatmeal, and raisins, come together, the result is not just the benefit of each individual component but a comprehensive solution. This mask offers strong antioxidant protection, deep hydration, natural brightening, anti-inflammatory action, and oil control. It is especially suitable for those with oily, combination, or acne-prone skin. With consistent use, the skin becomes clearer, healthier, brighter, and more radiant. To make this mask, once you have all the ingredients, unsweetened yogurt, raw honey, finely ground oatmeal, and raisins, here are the steps. First, soak 8 to 10 raisins in warm water for about 15 minutes until soft. Then mash them thoroughly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Mix everything together until you achieve a smooth, even consistency. When the mask is ready, remember to wash your face with warm water to open the pores. Then apply the mixture evenly to your skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water, finishing with a splash of cool water to tighten the pores. With this formula, applying it once or twice a week is enough for the skin to absorb the nutrients without overloading or clogging. However, please note that this mask is not suitable for everyone. If you have highly sensitive skin, or a history of allergies to yogurt, honey, or oatmeal, Test it first on a small patch of skin on your wrist to ensure safety. If you currently have dermatitis, eczema, fungal infections, or open wounds on your face, do not use this mask as it may worsen irritation. Also, avoid leaving it on for too long or overusing it multiple times a week, as excessive lactic acid from yogurt can thin the skin and increase sensitivity. When used moderately and consistently, this raisin, yogurt, honey, and oatmeal mask can become a simple yet powerful secret to help you maintain skin that is brighter, smoother, and healthier every day. Dear friends, the first recipe I just shared is best suited for oily and acne-prone skin. But not everyone has the same skin type. For those of you with dark spots, dullness, or uneven skin tone, I would like to introduce another recipe. This one is also very simple, made with easy-to-find ingredients and straightforward steps. Yet it delivers noticeable results in improving skin pigmentation. Here is the second recipe: raisins combined with fresh milk, turmeric powder, and honey. To prepare this recipe, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk. Fresh milk has long been considered a natural beauty ingredient because it contains many valuable nutrients. It is rich in lactic acid, a natural AHA that gently removes old, dead skin cells from the surface, leaving the skin smoother and more even-toned. Fresh milk also contains proteins and bioenzymes that nourish and regenerate cells while stimulating collagen production, helping the skin stay soft and firm. In addition, vitamins A and D in milk act as antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental damage and improve dryness. For this reason, unsweetened fresh milk serves as a natural moisturizing base, allowing the other mask ingredients to absorb more effectively. The second ingredient is half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric has been valued since ancient times as a miracle herb for the skin thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, soothing the skin, reducing redness, and working especially well to fade dark spots and pigmentation. It is also a superior antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals, slowing aging, and preventing the formation of acne-causing inflammatory compounds. Beyond curcumin, turmeric powder also contains natural essential oils and vitamin E which provide light hydration, soften the skin, and support the regeneration of new cells. This makes turmeric an excellent choice for those struggling with dull, uneven, or discolored skin. The third ingredient is once again 1 tablespoon of raw honey. As shared in the first recipe, honey is made up of more than 80% natural sugars, mainly fructose and glucose, which both provide excellent hydration and supply energy to skin cells. It also contains the enzyme glucose oxidase, which can produce hydrogen peroxide, a natural antibacterial agent that helps prevent breakouts. Honey is additionally rich in vitamin C and B vitamins such as B2, B3, B5, and B6, along with minerals like zinc, copper, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients soothe, nourish, and stimulate skin regeneration, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. The final ingredient is 6 to 8 raisins. Soak them in warm water for about 15 minutes until soft. Then mash them. Raisins are packed with polyphenols, flavonoids, and resveratrol, potent antioxidants that help prevent premature aging and shield the skin from sun and environmental damage. They are also rich in vitamin A and potassium, which improve blood circulation beneath the skin, resulting in a rosy, firm, and youthful appearance. When these 4 ingredients are blended together, they create a mask that is antioxidant-rich, brightens the complexion, evens skin tone, fades dark spots, and helps repair damaged skin. This recipe is especially beneficial for those with dull or uneven skin tone, or with acne scars. The method is simple. After soaking and mashing the raisins, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix well until smooth and consistent. Wash your face with warm water to open the pores. Then apply the mask evenly, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Relax for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water, finishing with a splash of cool water to tighten the pores. This mask should be used only once or twice per week. For those of you with extremely sensitive skin or who are prone to irritation from milk, honey, or turmeric, it's best to do a patch test first on a small area of skin on your wrist. If you have open wounds, dermatitis, eczema, or fungal infections, you should not use this mask to avoid further irritation. In addition, turmeric can leave a slight yellow tint on the skin, so if you need to go out immediately after applying the mask, make sure to wash thoroughly and consider using a gentle cleanser. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult a doctor before using turmeric in large amounts. Even for beauty purposes. Dear friends, I want to emphasize one important truth. Beautiful skin doesn't just come from what we apply on the outside, but even more from how we nourish our bodies from within. If we only rely on cosmetics while neglecting our diet, it will be difficult to maintain youthful, smooth skin. First, leafy greens and vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and kiwis are essential. Vitamin C is the key nutrient that stimulates collagen production, helping the skin stay plump, radiant, and resistant to aging. Next are nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. These are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which deeply nourish the skin, keep it soft, reduce dryness, and maintain elasticity. Another golden group of foods is clean protein from salmon, eggs, and Greek yogurt. Protein not only strengthens muscles but also regenerates skin cells, repairs minor damage, and helps the skin remain firm and healthy. And of course, water is simple yet absolutely vital. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water each day helps maintain natural hydration, keeping the skin smooth and full of life. Alongside good foods, there are also things to avoid if we want long-lasting healthy skin. Refined sugar and sweets trigger inflammation, speeding up aging and causing breakouts. Fried foods and unhealthy oils harm the heart and increase the risk of clogged pores. Processed foods high in salt dehydrate the body, leaving the skin dry and dull. And finally, excessive alcohol or coffee leads to dehydration, making the skin look tired and lifeless. Beyond diet, there are golden rules of skincare that should always be remembered. First is consistency, because skincare is a long journey, not something that shows results overnight. Second is combining care from inside and out, eating well while also pampering the skin with gentle, natural treatments like Raisin masks. Third is getting enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours daily, so the body can repair and renew the skin. Fourth is regular exercise, as physical activity improves blood circulation, giving the skin a healthy, rosy glow. And lastly, keeping a relaxed, positive mindset, since stress is the #1 enemy of the skin. Dear friends, radiant skin is really the result of holistic care, both inside and out. It all starts with the little things: a simple Raisin mask, a glass of water each day, a restful night's sleep. With consistency and the right approach, your skin will surely remain bright, glowing, and healthy for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to *Live Well every day, and share it so more people can benefit. Thank you, and see you in the next video.